Hi everyone, good day wherever you are watching this right now. My name is Ifajimi Fakayode. If you are watching for the first time, this is a spiritual channel. We use this channel for spiritual lecture, guide, tips, just like the one you are about to watch right now. I've posted several videos which are similar to this. So particularly today, I bring to you another spiritual tip which has to do with money, and this is so useful. I'm going to explain it. Actually, I have different version of this work, and I've shared one of it on this channel. But this particular one is so different and it's tested and working perfectly. That has to do with money and anything financial. So whether your financial life is not stable, your business is not moving, money is not coming to you, or maybe you are in the situation whereby when you have money, it is until that money finishes before you can get another one. So this is for you. This is a right solution to tackle any kind of financial challenges. And in Yoruba, we do call this kind of spiritual tip asiri bibo. During the olden days, there's something our forebears call asiri bibo, particularly in Yoruba African spirituality. So they believe that not everyone will be able to have a huge money to some extent. Not everyone will be rich as Dangote, not everyone will be rich as Otedola. But a situation whereby you can keep up with life, the basic needs of life, you can get it. You want this, you can buy it. You want to buy a shoe, you can buy it. You want to cater for your family, you can do it. And you want to eat, you are not begging before you eat. Our forebear believes that you are your asiri is being covered. That means that your spiritual life is not being exposed. That's what they call asiri people, that you can keep up with life, and this is kind of work that can make that happen. So a situation whereby you are not lacking. So not to the extent of being a billionaire, or because many people, when they see videos like this, they want something to become like Dangote to be, no. So but something to keep up with life. You are not lacking. So far you are not lacking some basic needs of life, you can cater for it. Your family responsibility, you can cater for it. And even your own life, you are not being left behind while others are spending, while the level of your friend. So you are not lacking. So this is the work for it. In the past few months, I've shared a video like this, and a lot of people testify to it. You can check my community post of people that tried that spiritual work, and it has to do with Sodom apple leaf. So those that watch that work can testify to it. So it's another version of it, but we are not using Sodom apple leaf this time. We are using miracle leaf. So you are going to get miracle leaves. But for this work, you are going to get 16 miracle leaves. So you go and get 16 miracle leaves. So when you get that 16 miracle leaf, you get, and the second item is a cowrie. You go to the market and buy a cowrie, not the plastic one, original cowrie. So something like this. So you go to the market and buy cowrie. So that is the second item for this. So once you get your miracle leaf, then you buy this cowrie, original one, not the plastic ones. So the last item is an egg. You go and buy an egg. It can be any kind of egg. It can be the normal native egg. That is white one. It can be this kind of normal egg we buy, in the market. So you go and buy this. So that's all the items. And how are you going to do it? You are going to get a pot. You can use a local pot. You can use the normal pot you use in your kitchen. So far it is clean. So now this is how you are going to do it. You are going to fetch 16 of these miracle leaves. So you are going to fetch 16 of this miracle leaf. After fetching it, now you will put 8 inside the pot. So this is the miracle leaf. Let me show you. This is my pot I want to use to cook the stuff. So you will put 8 inside the pot, opening facing up like this. So you will be putting it one by one. So now this is the miracle leaf. You will firstly put one. You will put another one on top. You will put another one. Put another one. Put another one. You will put another one, making it 8 inside this pot now. Then it will be remaining 8 outside the pot. Then you will now put a cowrie. This is your cowrie. You will put it on this leaf inside the pot. So it's better to use a pot that is not so big, so that it can contain all the stuff. So when you put the cowrie there, you put the cowrie, then this egg, you will put it beside this cowrie. Now you can see this one now. So this is my, assuming this is my pot. This is the cowrie, this is the egg. So this is the cowrie near the egg on top of the leaves, that 8 leaf. Then the remaining 8 leaves, you will use it to cover everything. You will use it to cover the other leaves. Then you will put the cover of the pot, cover it like this, and put it on fire. Cook it for like 10 or 15 minutes. So depending on the kind of thing you are using, maybe gas or anything. So, but you must not let it blow, because when it stays too long on the fire, it can blow and it is not good. So when you cook it for like 10 minutes, it's okay. So you don't add water, just leave it there, it will cook. That is the wonderful part of it. So this egg will be cooked by this leaf. You don't need to add any water. So if you add water, the work will be spoiled. Okay, so you are going to put the thing directly like that. Let it cook for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you put it somewhere. Let it cool. Let it cool. And once it is cool very well, then you will take out these eggs. You will take out this egg, pray to it very well. Concerning your financial life, you want money to be piling up in your hand, you want to become so rich, you want everything to be moving well, you don't want to spend money finish before another one will come. You just pray rightly for anything that has to do with your financial life. So then after praying very well, you will heat the egg. You will heat this egg. After heating this egg, then the remaining stuff, you will put it back in the pot. The shell of the egg, you will put it back in the pot. Then this cowrie is very useful. You are going to be keeping it in your wallet. Just know that once this cowrie is in your wallet, you are not going to lack everything. Just make sure this cowrie is always with you. So if you don't use wallet, you can be putting it in your pocket or into where you keep your money. Just make sure this cowrie is inside your wallet. So after eating it, you will abstain for like 3 days. You will abstain from copulation with your wife or your husband for 3 days, okay? So after doing that, then you will the remaining shell of the egg and the remaining leaf, you can grind it with soap. Grind it and mix it with soap. Be using it to bath. But if you cannot do it, it's okay. So just make sure you heat the egg. So you hit the egg like that, and that's it. So you will just discover how things will be going smoothly for you. So this work may look smaller, but it is working perfectly. I want like 10 people that will try this now, today, and come here for a testimony. It is working, and we have tried it so many times. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and like this video. Share it with your friend and family for more. Thank you.